Hello! This video will walk you through the setup process for the ZAFRO ComfortFlow portable air conditioner. It's a very simple process, so let's start by taking a look at what's inside the box. Here's what's included. The AC unit, an exhaust hose with hose connector and window kit adapter, an adjustable window kit, a drainage hose for the dehumidifier, and a remote control. Begin by connecting the hose connector to one end of the exhaust hose. You should be able to twist the connector clockwise into the grooves of the hose. The prongs on the inside of the connector should line up with the grooves on the outside of the hose. Next, attach the window kit adapter to the other end of the hose. You should be able to twist this piece clockwise onto the hose as well. Place the adjustable window kit onto your window frame, extend to match the width of your window, and close the window to hold the kit in place. For better sealing, you may choose to secure the panel with duct tape and seal any gaps around the adapter. You may have to trim the length of one of the panels to make sure the hole for the exhaust hose is unobstructed. With the AC next to the window, insert the adapter end of the hose into the opening in the panel. Finally, attach the other end of the hose to the air conditioner. Align the connector, slide it in place, and lock it in with a click. Make sure that the hose has a gentle curve with no sharp bends, and allow at least 20 inches of space around the unit for proper airflow. After plugging in the unit, you may have to press the reset button to ensure the safety plug is providing power to the AC. Once powered on, the unit starts in fan mode by default. The remote mirrors the functions on the control panel. You can switch between the different modes, adjust the temperature, fan speed, and direction of the airflow. You can even set a sleep timer or delay start timer. That's it! Your ZAFRO ComfortFlow is ready to go. A simple process for reliable cooling.